Guys, in today's video, we'll talk about how to cancel Spectrum cable but keep the internet service. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Call Spectrum customer support at 83326766094 and request to cancel your cable subscription while retaining their internet services. The phone number is in the description. The customer care representative will likely ask for a reason, so provide one. Capitalize on this phone call to secure promotional rates or offers that can reduce your monthly internet bill. The customer care representative may provide a confirmation number, which you'll use if there's a problem. Wait for a confirmation email within 48 hours. If you don't get it, call Spectrum customer support to check on the status of your request. Use the confirmation number during this follow-up call. Once you receive the confirmation email, return the Spectrum TV or cable box within the provided time frame. Use the details provided by the customer support agent. So there you have it. That's how you cancel your Spectrum cable but keep the internet. Thanks for watching. Till next time.